Hi, to enable and use Gboard on iPhone 16e, firstly open App Store on the phone and tap on the search bar to manually input Gboard. So let's just enter Gboard and tap here to search. And yep, here it is. We just need to click Get, then click this blue button Install, and sign in to Apple account. So just enter your Apple account's password. After that, click to sign in. And now it is downloading, so we just need to wait a bit till we'll be able to enable it and use. And yep, right now we can immediately open it, click Get Started, and we need to set it up. So let's click Get Started. We need to find our keyboard and enable Gboard by clicking on the switcher and also click to allow full access. Here, click Allow, go back in this app, and now we need to tap and hold the globe icon, and we can select our Gboard and use it as our default keyboard. So let's try this out again. This is it. Now we can use Gboard. To switch back to Apple's keyboard, you need to press and hold the globe icon again and select any language from the list, for example, English. And now we are back to Apple's keyboard. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.